Remember, practicalers, Kabante, we cannot please everyone. What is important is if deep in our hearts, we know we are doing our best and we're not stepping on anyone, and that should be enough to make you chin up and confident.
Yes.
Isa mang pa-chin up at confident.
Coach, wala po akong chin.
Okay. So, nananawagan po kami, Doktora Ivy, Doktora Bello, mag-unahan po kayo. Kailangan po ng pa-chin up ni Tala. Sige.
Parang sumasabay yung shoulders ko, Coach. Kailangan lang.
Pero sige, para lang masampulan ng ating mga practicalers at kaabanting nasa SOCMED or nasa Sky Cable, Channel 85, alam mo naman, televised na tayo.
Yes naman.
Bigyan mo nga ako ng, ano ba ang confident pose mo dyan? Bigyan mo nga kami ng isang matindi dyan.
Ayan, babaihan lang, Coach.
Very demure.
Yes naman.
Very
Pati
mindful.
mata, Coach, talagang ngingiti.
Aha.
Yung ganun pa lang. Ano pa lang yun? Parang easy level pa lang yun, Coach.
Okay,
Wala
so
pa
ano lang
talagang
yung patikim pa lang.
Bumabaliktad na bumabalentong na ako, Coach, pag difficult level na ng ano.